But if you look here, it's full of liquid.
Вот и перенес. There it goes. I'm kind of guiding it. Kind of out of the way. And this thingy так. Все. Теперь коннектор. Это скоба, и вот так вот слайд up, видишь, вот. И с другой стороны тоже так же подтолкни, и оно слезет. Вот, that's it. И белая точно так же.
Easy.
Есть. Не вижу. А, так вижу.
Вероятно.
На камеру.
Thank you.
Вот так. Вот теперь slide out. Вот in this position. Вот в этой позиции слайд-аут делай. Не получается, да? Okay, there you go.
Okay, so we're going to compare the part numbers that we just ordered. Connectors are the same. We could test it if we weren't lazy.
Yes.
Looks okay. Power connector for it. Does it matter how it went? Oh, okay, the clip's only on one side, so it's pretty straightforward. Is it okay to run it empty?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll just see if it makes sound and that's it. Go!
One goes back into the car and the other goes forward.
Yes. Now it's supposed to be wiggled in and inserted. Вот, just push it in. That's
Cool.
it. Вот это только, видишь, слезло. О, залезло.
А та другая надежна?
I don't know. Now we have to wiggle it out. Yeah.
Just check.
Check. Double check, double check, check again. And double check again.
And can you talk, Dad, can you elaborate on your wiggling technique? Because some people have a hard time not taking out the reservoir to fit it in. How did you angle it?
Well,
sorry I asked late.
It's vertically.
Pump is on the left?
Well,
Exit's on the right.
that's the position it was installed in. Once you take it out of the reservoir, this little nozzle, right? And this little barrel on the lower part, there is kind of a little wider opening. You know, there's a wider opening on the lower side of this hole. And you push it in, and then you. Seems the hole. Yeah, I don't see the hole. I forgot. Oh, there it is. There's the hole. Now you're supposed to. I don't know where the hole is. I don't see it.
But I'm trying to just push it down. Oh, it's sliding in.
Yeah, slide it.
It slid right in.
One sensor. We can plug the sensor back in now.
Very symmetric. clicks and we're good.
That's it.
Let's see if it leaks.
There's no leak on the floor, no leak anywhere. No leak. Rubber seal seems to be just fine. It's just fine. A little stupid electric pump died simultaneously after with engine disassembly. Has nothing to do whatsoever with engine. I mean, engine, they took out the engine and replaced the engine. And simultaneously, this little stupid electric pump goes.
I thought it was a cut or pinched wire or cut wire or something because they have the whole thing out.
And you have no leak, all good, happy puppy.
Yeah.